All right, you guys, so here's what I'd like you guys to do in your homework packet. At the top of, you should have gone over your multiple choice answers by now with the sub. If you haven't done that, please go ahead and pause the video and make sure that you go through those homework multiple choice answers. But after you've gone through that homework, I'll give you guys a moment here that in the homework packet, you should be finding this page. This was the 5.1a activity that came right after the multiple choice. All right, I'm going to get going. If you need more time, go ahead again and pause the video. So here's our situation. Mr. Morehouse claims that he makes 80% of his free throws. How many free throws would you like to see Mr. Morehouse shoot before you could be confident that his claim is true or not? We'll watch Mr. Morehouse shoot free throws. When you're confident, make a guess at his free throw percentage. As each shot is attempted, keep track of the number of made free throws and the total number of shots attempted in the table below. When you think you know Mr. Morehouse's true free throw percentage, stop recording shots, but do not cheat by selecting Show True Probability. So I'm going to go ahead and split screen this. I'm not going to write the number of makes that's on you guys, but I am going to go through and we'll go through our shots. So we're going to start with one at a time. So we have, he shot and he missed on that first one. Shot number 2 also missed. Down at the bottom of the screen, at the bottom of the chart, you can see that we have a blue line showing up at 0 because right now he's shooting 0%. Shot 3, he made. Shot 4, he made. Shot 5, he missed. And then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go up to 5 shots at a time. So now we're going to go into the 10 column. So here's our 10 shots. Now he has made 6 out of 10 and he has missed 4 out of 10. I'm going to shoot 5 more. So after 15 shots, he has hit 10 and missed 5. Again, keep in mind that that 80% line that you're seeing, that's what his claim was, that he is an 80% free throw shooter. So I'm going to shoot 10 shots now, and we will, 5 more, I'm sorry. 5 more to hit our 20, so let's shoot our 5. And after 20 shots, he has hit 13 of them, missed 7 of them. Let's go up to 30, so take 10 shots. $19 out of 30 for makes, 11 out of 30 for misses. And hopefully you guys are seeing at the beginning, our law of large numbers is pretty unpredictable at the beginning, but we're starting to taper out. And maybe by now you guys can figure out-ish what his actual true probability is, but we're going to go to 40 shots. And maybe it's a little lower than you expected. We're down to 57%. So 23 out of 40 he has missed. Or I'm sorry, he has hit, and 17 out of 40 he has missed. Let's go up to 50 shots. Well, there's 60%. He has made 30 out of 50, and he has missed 20 out of 50. Let's go 60. Ooh, that one dropped his percentage. 33 out of 60, 27 out of 60 for misses. Let's go 70. You guys can read the screen to fill out that column. And last 10. All right, so we are down to 57% after 80 shots. So go ahead and answer what you think Mr. Morehouse's true free throw percentage is. So after seeing where we're kind of tapering out and what's happened to our numbers after 80 shots, take a guess. And take a moment to quickly sketch this out. This video will be available to you on our Schoology page. So if you need to see this graph one more time, if I move out of it too quickly, feel free to go ahead and go into Schoology to get the link. But hopefully now you guys have taken a guess at what his true probability is. So I'm going to make a check mark. And the true probability is that green line that showed up. Mr. Morehouse is not an 80% free throw shooter. Mr. Morehouse is a 60% free throw shooter. So you can see that as I continued to shoot, and if I did 50 shots, I messed that up. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do 100 shots. And it's going speed racer here. And in the short run, free throws or any probability is unpredictable. But in the long run, it does become more predictable. And I'm going to add in the true probability there. We can see that, again, we were pretty far off from that green line at the beginning. But as we took more and more shots, my probability did approach that true probability line, and it settled or tapered down onto it. And as you take more and more samples, your true probability, your long-term probability will approach the true probability. So there's the first thing that you guys are supposed to be working on. So you guys can answer questions numbers 4 and 5. And once you're done with that, what I'd like you guys to do is go ahead, find a partner. You're going to play a game. You and your partner must decide who is going to be the odds and who will be the evens. You will roll 2 dice and you will multiply the numbers. If the product is odd, product means multiply. If the product is odd, the odd person wins. But if the product is even, the even person wins. So on Schoology, what I have posted is in our Chapter 5 folder. In Thursday, it says Rolling 2 Dice website. I already have it set, so you guys can click that link. And you can roll 2 dice. And it might not be all that wild. I know it's fun to actually roll those 2 dice. If some of you want to go into the skinny top drawer of my desk and grab some of the foam dice that I have available to you, please feel free to do that, but make sure they get back. But you also have this available to you. So what I would like you guys to do for the rest of class is make sure you get through. You have to play 20 times. If you want to play more than that, I'm okay with it. But keep track of this odds or evens and go through this law of large numbers and play your game and finish this worksheet.